I'm John Ballarino,
And I'm Kamal Basma.
and today we'll be demonstrating the production of acetylene gas.
Don't try this at home. We are scientists and we are experts.
Acetylene is produced from calcium carbide. Calcium carbide is produced by combining carbon with calcium oxide to create calcium carbide and carbon monoxide. Calcium carbide, when combined with water, creates acetylene gas and calcium hydroxide. Acetylene gas, when combined with oxygen, creates water and carbon dioxide. Science. Today we'll be demonstrating the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen. In this reaction, manganese dioxide acts as a catalyst. Three, two, one.
What's coming out right now is just oxygen. The presence of manganese dioxide allows the allows the hydrogen peroxide to transform into water and oxygen. First, we're grinding up these iodine crystals into iodine powder, so we'll react with the ammonia today.
I'm going to add ammonia to the iodine powder now.
We are now going to pour the nitrogen triiodide fluid, or the reactant fluid, through this filter paper. Now we're scraping out the nitrogen triiodide paste, and we're going to place it into this paper towel here, and we're going to dry it off, and hopefully we'll get something out of it. I should smack that violin. That'd be a horrible idea. Oh God, there's still a lot left inside the
The nitrogen triiodide is relatively safe when it's wet.
Very relatively. Right now we're trying to let it dry out so then we can poke it with this here, I think it's like 11-foot pole? I don't know. All I know for sure is that I wouldn't want to touch this with a 10-foot pole.
Okay. We are finally ready to set off the nitrogen triiodide. We will do this by poking it with our specialized poking utensil. It is extremely unstable, so that should set it off, and it will separate into iodine and nitrogen gas.
For those of you about to react, we salute you. Now what we're going to do is decompose water into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas via electrolysis.
And then?
If you zoom in on this glass, you can see the oxygen and hydrogen bubbles forming on the positive and negative electrodes. Once this has gone through electrolysis enough and produced enough hydrogen and oxygen gas, we will ignite it to create water.
Let's see the transformer too.
We are using a 9-volt AC to DC adapter.
Now we wait.
We have added some dish soap into the water in order to make the demonstration easier. Now, when hydrogen is produced, it will create hydrogen bubbles at the top of the surface. We are going to ignite it now to show the burning of the hydrogen to create water.
And talk about the popping.
The popping noise is showing that the hydrogen is in fact burning and combining with oxygen to create water.
The reaction we'll be doing today is sulfuric acid with potassium hydroxide to produce water and potassium sulfate.
Okay. Get closer. Get closer.
Do another or?
Just do a little bit more. You got it?
This reaction will have magnesium and oxygen with addition of heat to produce magnesium oxide.
It was the video. If I figure
This is the
like,
magnesium.
they put animation of like the cations like switching. So did they do it themselves or they did it themselves? Yeah. Well, some like these guys are doing all the videos together, like by themselves. But a lot of them just added YouTube videos. So it's fine. And then I'm gonna have one group doing a rap. So I'm pretty excited to do that. So I'll show you if I get any good ones. But the PowerPoint was good today.
Turn it.
Why don't they? I can send it. I can send it. Yeah, it's good. How they did it. Well,
Okay,
because it's like
so we have some editing to do.
it's like all.
Today we'll be combining lithium with water to create lithium hydroxide and hydrogen gas.
Hold it. Okay.
3, 2, 1.